Hello everybody, and welcome to yet another episode of rampromaster.us. Today we're going to talk about the differences between a commercial loan and a personal loan. In a personal loan, even if you want to buy it with your company, there would be two people on the loan, you and the company. You'd be co-owners of the vehicle. That means the vehicle would have both of your names, the name of the company and yours. The credit report would have you and the company on it. That means your own personal credit report would have the car loan on there, and your company's credit report would have the car loan on there. However, if you go with the commercial loan, which is offered here at Jack Phelan, you would be the guarantor and your company would be the owner. That means on the registration up here, only the company's name would appear. This box would remain empty. As a guarantor, your credit is not affected. It doesn't go onto your credit report, which leaves you with more buying power personally. So you can buy a nicer car for yourself, while your company's taking the credit burden, the liability, onto their own credit report. This allows you also for, if you're not going to be driving the vehicle and you're going to have a driver and the driver gets a ticket and the ticket doesn't get paid because you don't get it, your license is not affected. Only the company registration is affected. That way you don't get in trouble where you're driving with your wife to the grocery store or your husband to the grocery store and you end up getting stuck with a fine for not having paid your tickets. Or your license gets suspended and you don't even know about it because you know how the states are usually late with that. The one thing, however, that we do require, it's very crucial, is whether your company's 2 months, 3 months old, or a year or 2 years old, it doesn't matter how old the company is. In order to get a commercial loan, you have to be in a good standing within the state that your company is registered. Meaning your company has to be in a good standing with the state of Illinois, the state of Washington, whichever state you are buying in, and whichever state your company is headquartered in. What a good standing of the company is that you have paid all your fees, all your taxes, and all your dues to this respective state. Now, every state has their own laws. We're not going to get in depth with that. If you are not sure about the laws of your state, you can either call Sebastian, and he'll be glad to look it up for you, or call a tax attorney, or call an attorney that will help you with corporate law. Other than that, it's very simple to get a commercial loan. It's not as scary as it seems. It's actually very beneficial to you, your company, and your personal credit score. We also help people that have difficulties with their credit. Whether your credit's low or high, it doesn't matter here at Jack Phelan because we don't discriminate against credit. We help you regardless of your needs. The one thing we do recommend, however, if you know your credit's not the best and you know you make mostly cash income and you don't have a way to prove it because you don't usually deposit it, try to make at least 2-3 months of deposits into a bank and come with 2 to 3 months of bank statements ready, because the bank that's going to be granting you the loan really cares about the deposits, the cash flow coming in that they can see on paper, and they will be willing to give you the loan. If you do have any questions, instead of dealing with wondering and curiosity and trying to Google, just call the Ram ProMaster director here at rampromaster.us, Jack Phelan. So his name is Sebastian Novak, and his cell phone number, so you don't have to deal with automatic machine or with another salesperson. You go straight to him. It's 847-910-3837. Once again, that number is 847-910-3837. We hope to see you next week. Thank you for watching, and stay frosty.